Hi, this is Purni. I'm actually a Montessori teacher. I've been teaching for the last 6 years, and right now I'm on a maternity break. So I thought I should make use of this time and to improve my skills further. So I came to know about this Andhaadhi program about teachers talk and how to handle children and how to deal with children, how to empathize and understand children from their point of view and teach accordingly. So I was thinking if any offline or online courses available, and I should really say that I'm glad that they also had online course because since I have a crawler at home, I felt this online workshop will kind of benefit me, and I should definitely say that it has really helped me a lot. Um, the time factor, I was a bit hesitant. It was for 3 long hours, and I didn't know how it will go on because during the lockdown, I was also teaching online, to children, and I really didn't know how it will go on for 3 long hours. But then when I started, I really should say that there was no lag during the session. I should definitely say that it was very interactive. We were shown a lot of videos and slides, and we had a lot of discussion about it. In Also, we also had a lot of role play as a child and as a teacher. And I should also say that we came to know about a lot of strategies and techniques and the different level of talking routine that children had, 1 word or 2 word or 2, 3 sentences speaking children. And we also learned a lot about the observant child, a reluctant child, a passive child. In fact, I should say that I did not know that. And I am happy that I joined this course and it is really helpful. And once I get back to work, it's going to help me further. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi ma'am. It was really good. And I hope to join you all in further classes if you have. Thank you so much.